The 2025 Lincoln Navigator is packed with cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, like a large infotainment system with navigation, smartphone integration, premium audio systems, advanced driver assistance systems, and luxury features like leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. In addition to plenty of luggage capacity, the 2025 Navigator normally accommodates up to 8 passengers in 3 rows. The Navigator is offered in a variety of trim options, each with its own level of comfort and performance. The Navigator normally comes with a V6 engine and an automated transmission. Some models may also include optional all-wheel drive for greater off-road capability. The interior of the Lincoln Navigator is spacious and luxurious. The Navigator's third row is one of the best examples of this seating configuration. The Navigator's third row offers 1.1 inches more legroom than the GLS class, but most competitors far behind. The Navigator includes 30-way adjustable massage front seats, which are a feature of Lincoln's premium SUV. The seats are almost sculptural, and the left and right thigh supports can be adjusted to various heights. The Navigator's huge size can be a challenge when navigating traffic or parking, but it's a huge help when it comes time to pack for the holidays. Short wheelbase versions have limited storage capacity, which is used by all 3 seats. However, when the third row is folded down, the cargo area is quite large. Long wheelbase L versions offer extra cargo space and even a functional third row. The Lincoln Navigator is equipped with a 13.2-inch touchscreen and USB connections across the rows. The visuals on the infotainment system are fluent and easy to read, important for Lincoln's presbyopic customers, and the huge screen shines like a jewel in the Navigator's bow. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and a built-in 5G Wi-Fi hotspot enables over-the-air software updates. The Navigator uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 10-speed automated gearbox that is optionally twin-turbocharged to improve fuel consumption. The Navigator also comes standard with Lincoln's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assistance technologies, which includes blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. Lincoln includes a number of driver assistance functions as standard, including traffic sign recognition, parking aid, and pedestrian detection. Depending on the layout, the Navigator's second-row seats can accommodate 2 or 3 complete sets of latch connectors.